Today I'm making sticky toffee pudding. It has dates in it. I've made this before and it was absolutely delicious. We did not film it, so now we're filming it just for you. All right, let's get started on Darlene's table. This is for the toffee sauce. I'm adding 2 cups of heavy cream, brown sugar, and I have dark brown sugar, and I have the salt in it. And now I'm using molasses. This is going to go for about 5 minutes until it starts to thicken up and coat the back of my spoon. Once this is done, half of it will go into my baking dish and into the freezer while we prepare the pudding part. It's starting to come to a boil. I'm going to turn the heat down, and this will go for another 5 minutes. All right, I'm going to turn this down to low. You want it to coat the back of the spoon like that. Okay, this is ready. All right, now, for convenience, I'm going to pour it in here. This is my buttered baking dish. It's 8 inches across. You can use anything that's about 8 inches across or 8 inches round. All right, so I'm going to put half of this in here. That would be a little more. Now, this is going in the freezer. So now I'm going to put the 1 cup of water. Let this come to boil. This is the water and dates. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to turn off the heat. That's a good boil. There we go. Turn off the heat. Add the baking soda. It's bubbling up. Okay, now I'm going to set this over here. All right, now I'm going to cream the butter and sugar till it's light and fluffy. Now 1 egg at a time. It's the 2nd egg and vanilla bean paste. Mix this real well. And then I'm going to add half of the flour mixture, which includes baking powder and salt. There we go, mix that. Now all of the date mixture that we cooked on the stove for a few minutes, all of it. Now the remaining half of the flour mixture. Just mix until it's mixed. Don't beat it to death until you don't see flour. All right, now I'm going to scrape this paddle as clean as I can because I want all of that luscious batter. This is the souffle dish that I had put in the freezer with half of the toffee sauce. So into it with the batter, the pudding batter, This is an English thing, and they call this a pudding, but it's not pudding like we think of in the U.S. Into the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean from the center. Toothpick's clean, so out will come. We're going to cool this slightly on a wire rack. So I'm going to let this cool for about 10 minutes, and then I'll spoon some out, pour some of the sauce over it, and enjoy it. This is super moist, and that toffee sauce just takes it over the top. Sticky toffee pudding. This traditional English sticky toffee pudding has the texture of a super moist sponge-like cake. The sweet dates provide a soft, chewy texture, giving it another dimension. The cake batter is baked on top of toffee sauce, and if that isn't enough, more toffee sauce is drizzled over the top when served. When served with whipped cream or vanilla ice cream, this sticky toffee pudding is a smash for any occasion. I really hope you try this recipe soon and let me know what you think. You will find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. So bye for now, God bless, and come back for more goodness right here on Darlene's Table.